How to clean and groom your pubic hair. Pubic hair, we all have it, and it's nothing.
I bet you didn't know pubic hair is like nature's little guardian. Let's talk about keeping it tidy. First things first, wash it. Use warm water and a mild soap to keep things fresh down there. Next, trim it. Grab a pair of clean scissors or a trimmer and snip away carefully. If you prefer a smooth look, shaving is your game. Lather up with shaving cream and use a clean razor, always shaving in the direction of hair growth to avoid irritation. For the wax enthusiasts, make sure to follow the instructions and maybe, just maybe, leave it to the pros. And remember, whether you're keeping it bushy or bare, hygiene is always in style. Keep it clean, keep it healthy, and keep being awesome.
Just always make sure your pubic area is dry before putting on clothes, as moisture can trap bacteria and cause infections and irritation. Keep in mind that there's no medical purpose to trim your pubic hair. Method 1. How to keep pubic hair clean. 1. Wash your pubic hair with warm water and unscented soaps. Using fragmented soaps or perfumes to wash your pubic area can aggravate or irritate your skin. Your pubic area has a specific pH level, and certain soaps can throw this off. Opt to wash the hair down there with unscented body washes or products meant for pubic hair and skin. Avoid using deodorant, talcum powder, shampoo, or fragranced wipes to clean your pubic hair. Although these can be tempting if you're experiencing unpleasant pubic odors, they can cause an imbalance in your natural pH levels and make the smell or irritation worse. 2. Wipe the pubic area after going to the bathroom. After using the toilet, clean your pubic region with a damp towel or tissue paper to keep the area as clean as possible. Regularly wiping after going to the bathroom is essential in stopping the spread of harmful bacteria. While it may be tempting, avoiding using personal, hygienic wipes with scents. This can cause redness and irritation, so always opt for unscented wipes for sensitive skin. 3. Keep your pubic hair dry to avoid irritation. Moisture can cause irritation, so always dry your pubic hair and skin before putting on clothes. Gently rub the area with a soft towel or use tissue paper to soak up any leftover moisture. Along with relieving discomfort, keeping your pubic hair dry also helps prevent unwanted bacteria from growing. Dry your pubic hair completely before putting on clothes after showering or swimming. Try using a hair dryer on a cool setting to ensure everything dries down there. 4. Wear breathable undergarments. Opt for looser clothing and avoid nylon, synthetic, or tight clothes if you're experiencing irritation. This is especially important when temperatures are high and sweating occurs. Stick to wearing underwear made of organic cotton to help your pubic area breathe. Ladies, leave the lingerie for special occasions. Gentlemen, opt for boxers whenever you can to aid in testicular health.
Se você gostou desse vídeo, já sabe, né? Deixa o like, se inscreve no canal e ativa o sininho para não perder nenhuma novidade. Um beijo, fiquem com Deus e até a próxima. Fui!